Hey there. Do you dream of scoring 90% marks in your English exam, but your laziness is holding you back? Don't worry, because I've got your back. I'm going to tell you some simple, practical, easy, step-by-step strategy by which you can ace your English exam without overwhelming yourself. So let's dive right in. Now, most English papers start with comprehension. So let's begin right there. Now, first things first, skim the passage to grasp the main idea. Then look at the questions and go back to the passage to locate the specific answers. You don't need to understand every word. You only need to understand the general idea in order to answer the questions. Now, you might like to ask me, what is skim? Your passage is divided into various paragraphs, and skimming is when you quickly look at the first sentence and the last sentence of that paragraph and move on. That will give you a major idea about what this paragraph is all about. Sounds simple, isn't it? Now, write in the comments what is the most challenging part of comprehension passages for you, and we will find out ways to make it simple for you. Now let's talk about working smart. English exams are very predictable, and if you have looked at previous year paper, you will be able to get a good idea about what is going to happen in the paper this year. Now step 1 is to prioritize. For literature, look at chapters from which specific questions have been asked year after year. Now step 2 is to focus on impactful scenes and special quotes. For every lesson, you must prepare few quotes which you can use in the exam to impress the examiner. Also, focus on error-prone areas where you generally make mistakes. For instance, if you are reading The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost, focus on its theme of choices and the key lines like two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Now, these things are enough to impress the examiner. Now, let's talk about literature. You don't need to read every word or every chapter at this stage of the year. Instead, you can focus on reading the summaries or short explainer videos online. These will help you understand key themes, character arcs, and important events without wasting hours. For example, if you are reading Deep Water by William Douglas, focus on how Douglas overcomes his fear of water, and also some key quotes like, "All we need to fear is fear itself." Now that is enough to nail your answers. Writing articles, letters, and reports and speeches can seem overwhelming, but there is a very easy way to handle it. Prepare templates. For articles and speeches, stick to 3-4 common topics like environment, education, and social media. Practice writing introductions and conclusions for these themes. Once you've got the hang of it, it's easy to adapt it to any question. For example, if the topic is technology and education, you can start by writing that in today's modern world, technology has totally revolutionized education. And after writing a few points, you can conclude by saying that it is essential to embrace these changes for a brighter future. So what is the trickiest part of article writing for you? Let me know in the comments below. Is it starting, organizing, or wrapping up? I would love to help. Now comes grammar, and it doesn't have to be scary. Just focus on 3 simple basics: tenses, subject-verb agreement, and prepositions. Believe me, if you focus on these 3, that will cover 90% of your grammar mistakes. These are the most common areas where students lose marks. So just focusing on them is going to give you an edge over others. And finally, let's talk about revision. Instead of cramming everything the night before, do a bit of revision every day. Spend 20-30 minutes every day revising formats, grammar, and summaries of the lesson. This way, everything will stay fresh in your mind and it will not be overwhelming on the last night before the exam. So what's your go-to revision tip? Let's swap ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips like this, and stay ambitious, keep shining.